Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jaguar XJ key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is crucial to avoid misplacing tiny components. This straightforward task usually takes less than 5 minutes, so let's get started and restore full functionality to your key fob quickly and easily. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small, narrow slot located on the side of the key fob's casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side faces up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your key is fully operational.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.